Magandang hapon po. At dito kakakain lang namin ng matchang. Yan. Matchang. Nandito kami ngayon sa Minghin Chinese restaurant. Mga dim sum. May matchang pa. Kain po tayo. Ayan, broccoli. Kung ano-anong dumpling. Ito po sila. Ito si Joseph and Gemma. Yan po yung
Oh, nice.
po yung ka-eskwela ni Mariel at Ninoy nung college sa UST. Ayan. And, of course, andyan si Mariel at si Craig.
6.
What? 36? Oh, your brother, your younger brother?
Ayan,
But he's okay now, right? Yeah.
Yeah, they reversed it.
Brian, stop shooting.
Club or something?
No, it was a dissection.
Okay. Sige po at kita-kita tayo ulit.